Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at closed captioning with YouTube. As you can see, I've added some closed captioning to videos lately. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and find one that I have not altered yet. Let's look at this Where's Waldo one. So we're going to select Edit. What I'd like to do is I'd like to see what the subtitles or closed captioning would look like. So we need to select the language is English. I'm going to set the language, and now we need to go ahead and select English Automatic, and then Edit, and you can see it's transcribed over here. Now it will play through.
Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's a fun mini game built.
Okay, so if you want to go ahead in and change a few things, maybe you wanted to space that out, you could do it. You can go in and fix what you need to. What we're going to do is we're going to publish these edits. But the thing to know is this will not automatically come up with forcing closed captioning. You can see it's not underlined here. It's not red under the CC. In order to do that, what you need to do is you need to go into Info and Settings, then scroll down to Tags. What you'll need to do is you'll need to type in YT:CC equals on. It's going to force closed captioning on YouTube. We're going to select Save Changes and give it a little bit of time. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select Share. Now I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to open it up in an incognito window so you know that it does work even if someone is not logged onto YouTube. You can see it's underlined right here. Closed captioning will be forced.
Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's a fun mini game.
Okay, so that's how you can force closed captioning as well as edit the transcribed text that is in your YouTube video. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.